So here one question arrived. Again, he is asking about. Initially, I have considered some being dimension, right? So how to understand that whatever assumed section they have provided are here, because correct or not? Answer is that you will be able to understand only after the design. Design means section property you have given, right? Material property you have given, load you have given. What STAT will do? STAT will perform the analysis, and it will collect the best possible or worst space result in the form of moments here like that, right? So again, we have to design that. Find it. Already we have restricted that the section property 700, 700, 250 by 40, whatever, right? So only you have to understand that whatever section you have provided, that is correct or not. We have provided all the loads, what possible loads, right? After design, if you see the column of your reinforcement is coming with 0.5%, right? Means 0.8% is the minimum you provide. So it means that we say whatever section, mounting section you have provided, there is a chance of it. Section can be reduced. As a result, again percentage of reinforcement will increase. Right? If your percentage of reinforcement is between 1 to 2%, it means that you are very good. Right? Sometimes between 1 to 2% reinforcement you cannot restrict. Right? So to restrict the reinforcement between 2%, sometimes you have to increase the section. Right? Always it is not possible. Sometimes maybe more than 2%. In fact, you can go up to the 4%. But again, your structure is going to be uneconomic. Right? If you use more steel, nowadays steel rate is more compact to the concrete. Fine? Always, if you balance the reinforcement and concrete in between 2% or slightly more than 2%, so you will be the ideal structural design. Right? So people will come to you. So please see my case. So now you go for the design. Again, to design that one, so click on analysis and design, click on concrete, right? So there are so many codes, ACI, right? Australian British code, Canadian code. So we will be using our code, IS 456, fine. And here you see 3 tabs are there, 3 select parameter, define parameter and comments. So here we will be selecting that the define parameter, some design parameter you will have to select, right? Out of this, clear cover you will have to mention, right? During your design, once you know what is the clear cover. Everybody you know, generally for column we use 40 mm and for beam how much? 25. Okay. So CLEAR means clear, distance from surface of the member to the edge of the reinforcement, outmost whatever. So 0.025. So that is the clear cover for beams, right? You add it. Similarly, for column 0.04. Am I right? And also you need FC. FC means FC, characteristic compressive strength. What was the design strength? I have mentioned M30 or M25? 30. So 30 Newton per millimeter square, but here it is asking kilonewton per meter square, means another 30. 1, 2, 3. Add. And also you will have to mention Fy main, means in strength of main bar. How much? 500? What I have written? 500? So 500, that is the Newton per millimeter square, but here it is asking kilonewton per meter square. Another 30. 1, 2, 3. So Fy6 secondary bar, again it is the same strength. 500, 1, 2, 3. Add it. Max main, maximum diameter of the main reinforcement, say 32. Maximum secondary bar, say 10. And minimum main, how much? Minimum diameter of the main reinforcement? 12. For column you cannot go beyond 12, right? So that's why you should restrict on 12. Add. Rest of the things you allowed to stat to calculate, right? And also immediately after that there is a command. Click on command. You ask your stat to design beams. You ask your stat to design column. Add. Now you come to this page, right? So whatever parameter we have taken from the list, it is showing in your mark, right? Again, program is asking you where this comment to be assigned. Here, first of all, clear cover 25. Clear cover 25 means first select clear cover and then select which one is beams, because that you will have to select, na? You will have to say select beams parallel to what happened. Beams parallel to X, beams parallel to Z, right? So this is my clear cover assigned to selected beams. Yes, you see that the yellow question mark has been converted into green tick. It means that command is already assigned. Similarly, clear cover 40 mm, that is for column. Again, you select parallel to that Y, select command, assign, fine. Similarly, FCK 30, that is for all, no? For all beams and columns. So by dragging, you select all those members. Yes, it is assigned. Similarly, steel 500 for all beams and columns. Similarly, secondary bar stress, it is same for all. Maximum main, yes, again it is same for all. But if you want for beam, you will be using different diameter, you can use. For column, you will be use different diameter, you can use. Minimum diameter of the bar, that is 12. I am considering that is applicable for all beams and columns. Yes, here it is asking design beams. Again, horizontal members are beams, right? So select parallel to X, parallel to Z, assign. Similarly, design column, select where it is, this one, na? Parallel to Y, fine. So we have updated all the columns, all the commands related to your design. Fine. Whenever you update the command, only task is that you will have to go for run analysis, right? select analysis and run, go for the analysis, save it. Fine. How much time it has taken? Right? If you see the output file, beam, you see the IS4PT6 used, limit state design, this is the beam number, what is the grade of concrete used, grade of steel used, length of the beam, size of the beam, and cover. And based on that, the entire span of that the beam is divided into 5 sections. Each section's top reinforcement, I mean area of reinforcement, they have given top and bottom, top and bottom, top and bottom. And based on the area of reinforcement, what will be the diameter of the bar and what will be the number of bars they have calculated. What do you need? That's all, na? And also, this is the shear reinforcement, I mean stirrup, right? They have calculated. Similarly, if you see that the column limit state design, column number, M30 grade used, AP 500, length of the column, size of the column, and you see that is the area of steel and percentage of reinforcement, that is the 1.1%, means you are in the almost safe zone, right? So and also if you double click it, you can see the complete design also here in graphical, right? You see AP 500, FCK is equal to 30, area of reinforcement, how much it is required, they have calculated. Based on that, bar size 12 and bar number, no, based on that the area of reinforcement, you can manage the diameter of the bar and it is the number. Yes, area of reinforcement it is required 4.83. 4.83, 0.483, right? 0.483 means there is a chance or there is a scope to reduce that size of that column. So I am changing your size. I have changed the column, right? I have updated the command, then you run it. Okay, now you check it. We have checked this column, na? Double click it. Yes, now it becomes 3.5%. Earlier it was 483. Section was 700 by 700. Now I have reduced it by 500 by 500, right? So now you will have to go for the trial and error in between 500 and 3 point something percentage more. So it is not failing. So you consider 600, right? Again change it. Now I am showing it how to optimize. Again you run it. Okay, check the same column. Yes, 1.35. 34. Right? Again you can reduce something. Right? Instead of 600, go for 550. Change. Run. Yes, 2.00. So it is the optimum section. Right? Now we will be figuring it out. Similarly, you have to optimize the mean. Right? So again, the maximum percentage of reinforcement it should not more than 0.8 to 0.9. Huh? हाँ नहीं दिखाएगा वो हाँ it depends on that because your earthquake force is different ना your wide so it cannot different होगा regarding this if you don't consider earthquake load then it may come the same reinforcement because of the metroidal line magnitude is same ना polar action vertically but horizontal force is varying with respect to your height. So whatever reinforcement you are getting at the first floor level, you may not get at the top level because there you may get higher values, right? Sometimes we have seen that in some of the hotels, lower 10-story, say reinforcement is coming 1.5%, above 15-story, reinforcement is coming 2 something percent. Generally, higher percentage of reinforcement it occurs at the bottom level of floor, but here it is reverse, right? It is because of it, if it happens, so it will happen due to the lateral force, due to the earthquake force, right? Any question? Okay, I am showing you one beam also. Yes. Huh? That is the yes. That is the section, na? You need see this one. Longitudinal sections, and they have given 3 cross sectional that. Fine? Yeah, they have given 7 numbers of 8 pi at the rate of 1. They have given. In case of column, they are also given. Fine. Output file also. I have shown you now output file. There they have given. You check. Yeah, you check it. For beam, that is the main reinforcement, and this is the shear reinforcement. Fine. Two-legged 8 phi at the rate of something something. That is for beams. That is for column. Right. So here also tie reinforcement provide 8 dia rectangular tie at the rate of 300. Fine. Any other question? Okay. Now you can take your laptop. You complete.